In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Microsoft Word Quick Parts tool. When you're working in Microsoft Word, if you find yourself often needing the same chunk of text over and over, instead of recreating that text again and again, you really should consider using the Quick Parts tool. So here I am at the bottom of a document that I've created, and I'm going to click and drag to highlight the text, and in this case, this horizontal line that I'd like to reuse over and over in future documents. With that selected, I can now go to the Insert tab and look in the text group. Here we have a button that looks kind of strange. What does this mean? This is Quick Parts. And I'm just going to skip all of this and go down here to where it says Save Selection to Quick Parts Gallery. When I click there, a dialog box opens up, and I'm going to click and drag to move that to the side. And here I just need to name this quick part that I want to add. I'll just name this Company Name and Contact Info. It will be stored in the Quick Parts Gallery. What category do I want for this quick part? By default, you just have General, but I'll click to create a new category and I'll call this Business. Click OK. So this quick part will relate to business documents. I could give it a description. In this case, I don't think it's necessary. And then here in the options, I have three basic options. I could insert this content only, or I could tell it to insert the content in its own separate paragraph or on its own page. I'm going to go with the middle option. Insert content in its own paragraph, click OK. And at this point, I'm going to close out of this document. I'll just click here on the X in the upper right. And in closing that document, Word ended up wanting to close completely. So the program itself, Microsoft Word, is closing. But before it closes, it wants me to answer this question. It says, you've modified Styles building blocks, otherwise known as Quick Parts. Do you want to save those changes to building blocks? And I'm going to say yes. If I don't do that, next time I open up Microsoft Word, it won't remember that quick part that I added. So I've opened up Word again, and now I'm going to go to a blank document. And let's say I type up an amazing text-based tutorial. And at the bottom of that tutorial, I'd like to add my quick part that I saved earlier. I'll just go here to Insert. Here in the text group, there's the Quick Parts button. I'll click it. And look at that. I've got a business section, and there is the company name and contact info quick part. I can just select it, and boom, I've got my horizontal line. I've got the company name and contact information. This contact information is not real, by the way, but I hope you can see the real benefits that can come from saving the text, the formatting, the different visual aspects of the things that you add over and over again into Microsoft Word. Just select them and then go here to the Insert tab in the text group right here on the Quick Parts button and save it to your Quick Part gallery. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you do, click the bell and you'll be notified when I post another video. If you'd like to support my channel, you can do that by clicking the thanks button below the video, or you could support me on Patreon or by buying channel merch, and you'll see information about those options in the description below the video. Speaking of Patreon, I'd like to give a quick shout out to my awesome $5 Patreon supporters. I don't have very many at this time, but I really do appreciate the support that they've given me. In some cases, they've supported me for years, and I really appreciate it. You're amazing. Thank you so much.